Today I'm going to be testing something I got for dust collection. This is called the Dust Deputy, and it's just a Cyclone. And the only thing you have to do to set it up, and this is how I did it, is I mounted it to the lid of this drum. Basically I cut a 3-inch hole inside of here, and look through there, and that goes straight down into the drum. And then marked out holes for 1/4 bolts. These are 1 inch long, and they were a little long. I probably could have went with 3/4 of an inch or something like that. And then I put some silicone sealant under here and then tightened the nuts up so it sealed it, and then I also ran a bead all the way around and let that cure. So I went ahead and cleaned the shop vac up. So as you can see, there's no dust in there. And I also cleaned out the shop vac filter as much as I could, and believe it or not, that's only after about 2 weeks of use, and that filter is looking pretty rough. So I probably should go ahead and replace the filter, but I don't know. So let's go ahead and I'm going to hook it all up, and then I've got a pretty good little pile of sawdust here, some walnut dust, and we will vacuum that up and see how good it does. As you can see, it did a really good job. Looks like the whole pile is in here, including there's a lot of coarse stuff towards the center and then some finer dust towards the edges. It even took up some pretty good chunks of wood. Seemed to handle those no problem. I'll go ahead and show you the shop vac. It's practically empty. It would take a long time to fill that up, so it should be better on preserving filters for the shop vac, so I don't have to buy them all the time. Also give me an easier way to dump my dust and collect it.